That fast, fast, fast. Going dumb when I hit the gas, gas, gas. I swear that bit fast, fast, fast. Going dumb when I hit the gas, gas, gas. I swear that bit fast, fast, fast. Going dumb when I hit the gas, gas, gas.
Kicking all cat.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we finished all O2 sensors into Big Baby. Y'all gotta get on these stuff. I might have a problem with the positioning because I have long two headers. So it slides the O2 sensor position back, and I don't know if the cord gonna reach, but I'm gonna update y'all and let y'all know what's going on. I'll be back. As you see, the connector is all the way up there, and my O2 sensor is down this way somewhere. Alright, this where we at with it. The O2 sensor was slightly too short to connect. So instead of going to get an extension, I decided to cut the connector, add a little bit of wire, and then make it reach like that. I'm gonna update y'all, let y'all see what's going on. As you see, man, you see why Jimmy rigged it. It's okay. I don't know if you can see all the way behind. No, it's not gonna show. But yeah, boom, made them reach. Let's go for the startup. About to do a startup with the long two headers, O2 sensor. See outside.